This part looks cheap, but look at shipping. Now look at the warehouses. This is where people lose money on RockAuto, and the wrong part can cost even more. Before you buy, check these important things. No fake tricks, no secret free shipping, just real checks that matter.
Check number 1. Do not compare part price. Compare the final total. Part price, shipping, core charge, taxes and fees. That is the real cost. A cheaper part can become more expensive after shipping. So add the part to cart, enter your zip code, then compare.
Check number 2. Check the warehouses. Warehouse A, Warehouse B, Warehouse C. That can mean multiple shipments, and multiple shipments can raise the cost fast. Before you pay, go back, try another brand, try another product line. One small change can lower the total.
Check number 3. Watch the truck icon. It looks small, but it matters. When a part is already in your cart, RockAuto may show this icon near other parts. That usually means same shipping location. Same location can mean lower shipping. Not always, so still check the final total. But do not ignore the icon.
Check number 4. Use Choose For Me carefully. It can help when brand does not matter. Filters, small items, basic maintenance parts. But do not use it blindly. Brakes, steering, suspension, sensors, cooling parts. For these parts, do not chase only cheap. Cheap is good. Correct is better. Check number 5. Read the fitment notes. Fits your vehicle is not enough. Left side only, right side only, rotor size, 4-wheel drive, sport suspension, with towing package, without towing package. One small note can make the part wrong. Read before you buy.
Check number 6. Open more info. Do not buy by picture. Seriously, the image can be close, but not exact. Check the part number. Check OE numbers. Check interchange numbers. Check connector. Check side. Check size. The picture is not proof. The details are proof.
Check number 7. Closeout parts can be a good deal, but be careful. Limited stock, older inventory, short warranty window. For filters, maybe fine. For expensive parts, slow down. Inspect the part as soon as it arrives. Keep the box. Keep the original packaging. Check number 8. Before you install anything, check everything. Wrong side, wrong size, wrong option. That means problems. Return shipping, delays, a part you cannot use, and core charges. Count them. That money is part of the real cost. You get it back only after returning the old core properly. Quick checklist. Enter zip code. Check final total. Watch warehouses. Use truck icons. Use Choose For Me carefully. Read fitment notes. Open more info. Check part numbers. Do not buy by picture. Be careful with closeout. Keep the box. Count core charges. Do this before you buy. Save money. Avoid wrong parts.